Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to be making spaghetti from the game Stardew Valley. So let's grab your pitchfork and jump right in.
Let's start off with a pot of water and a generous amount of oil and a good amount of salt. Then leave it to come to the boil. Now that the oily salty water is boiling, add the spaghetti and don't break it. Push down on it carefully until it's fully submerged and cook for 8 minutes or until al dente. In a pan, add the olive oil and when hot, add your minced garlic and cook for a few moments. Then add your onions and continue cooking until slightly soft. With your spaghetti done, save half a cup of the water for later use in your sauce and then remove your spaghetti from the heat and drain, then coat with some olive oil. Having dealt with the spaghetti, go back to your pan and add the tomatoes and cook them down for a bit. Now you'll add your tomato paste to give it that red colour and continue to cook down the sauce. To cut out the acidity of the tomatoes, add your sugar and after a small while add your dry herbs to give it the flavour, and also don't forget the salt. Since the sauce is cooked down, add your pasta water and continue to cook down again. Now we're near the end of the sauce, add several fresh basil leaves and cook it for only a few moments. Then the sauce is done. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make the spaghetti from Stardew Valley with me today. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you're not already. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.